There it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Thursday, February 27th, 2020. It's 8:06 a.m. here in the Arizona desert, and Bitcoin's got amazing tether into. It's got amazing volume. Price action is, I think, reflecting that. We're seeing a powerful bounce as Bitcoin is playing its role as a safe haven asset during global insanity. All right, let's start where we always start. Now, you got Tether into Bitcoin at 5.49 billion. That is amazing. So Tether into Bitcoin last 24 hours, 5.49 billion. That's massive. Tether into Ethereum, 4.66 billion. Massive. So volume for Bitcoin last 24 hours, 1.6 billion. That is rocking. 798 million of that is on Binance. We have over 200 million of that on Coinbase, and Kraken's 146 million. Bitfinex 124 million. Bitstamp 119 million. So the exchanges are rocking. Bitcoin is moving. That's what I like to see. With that said, let's look at sentiment longs versus shorts here on Binance, where the big money is. 32% short, 67% long. That's rocking. So where the money is, people are feeling positive. Let's look at the traditional markets today. Well, Dow Jones Industrial Average, it opened recently, about a half hour ago, and well, damn, it just looks like crap. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average is definitely not rallying this morning. Not yet, at least, that's for sure. And it's under the 200 moving average, of course, and the MACD looks like butt. So SPX, S&P 500. All right, it actually is challenging the 200 moving average. It might dump below that today unless it starts to rally. So SPX, S&P 500 not opening strong at all. Let's look at the Russell 2000, the little guys. All right. Well, yeah, that's not looking good either. Big old dump there. So Dow Jones Industrial Average, SPX, and the Russell, all not opening strong at all, continuing a lava flow. That's not particularly rocking for the world markets, even though yesterday Trump did tell us that it's a flu. It's kind of like a flu. Everything's going to be fine. People don't buy it. Facts are facts. Global uncertainty is global uncertainty. And I'm not sure if he made anything better at all. I'm not pro or against Mr. Trump, President Trump there. I'm just saying I think that maybe anything he said would have been wrong when it comes down to it, but I don't think he helped the matter. I think his assurances maybe appear, if you ask me, to have shaken the market even more so. So, I'm not pro or against Trump, just saying I think the statements he made probably, obviously, as we're looking here, did not help. In fact, maybe asserting the issue at all, coming forth and having to speak to it publicly, really just shook faith in the markets and made people more unsettled than if he just had done nothing. It was a no-win situation, but I'm just going to say it didn't seem to win, put it that way. We're not winning bigly after his talk. Let's look at gold. On the daily, well, gold is showing up to work today on this daily chart. We got gold rocking, and that's what I want to see. I'm certainly not a doomsayer or anything, but look, the markets are going to be affected by the current coronavirus situation. They're gonna. There ain't no way around that. So I'd rather see them affected in a way that makes sense than one that does not. And so looking at the Dow, yep, that's what we should be expecting to see. It's dumping hard with no turnaround, I would say. Well, let's see how it rolls. It just kind of could turn green any moment. But basically, Dow, SPX, RUT are dumping. And as they dump, gold should find its foundation and start pumping. And now we see it's moving up. So Dow Jones, Russell, SPX, dumping. Gold moving up. That's what we should expect to see at this time. That makes me happy. Not that doom and disaster makes me happy, but things working the way that they should makes me happy. Put it that way, you know. Silver, of course, not as strong as gold, but we're seeing a green candle today, and the MACD looks like it could turn negative today, but we shall see. I bet you it will start to turn up, and the histogram will start widening in a positive direction. We shall see. So silver and gold is looking strong. Silver, it's trying to figure itself out, but it definitely did not start the day like the Dow did. Put it that way. So silver and gold, safe havens. They are showing up for work today. Now, Bitcoin, look what it's doing. We've been dumping. People have been like saying all kinds of ridiculous stuff. We're going to 3K. All this just nonsense. No, just like gold and silver did, it's going to dump a bit with the traditional market when it dumps that hard. But this is the difference. You know, as I know I'm kind of repeating myself here. I want to make this quick, I know, but this is the difference. Gold starting to recover. Got a nice green candle today. That's beautiful. Day is young, I know. Look at the Dow. It's dumping. We should expect that. At a certain point, the Dow keeps dumping. Then gold is going to rally. And what is Bitcoin doing? Got a green candle today. Where did it bounce? This blue trend line here is the 200 moving average. It bounced where you would expect on the daily. MACD still dismal, but you know, Bitcoin so far today is bouncing. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. It's bouncing right at the .5 FIB line, right where we also have massive buy-sell volume by the VPVR. On the 4-hour, the MACD is beginning to turn positive. On the 2-hour, we have a positive MACD, and it's moving up. Still below the 200, but it's moving in the right direction. 45-minute chart. Boom! We're getting this beautiful little upwards channel forming. Very, very short time frame, but it's happening, and soon that directional index will start to show some green candles. Ethereum, well, it bounced off the 200 moving average too, to be expected. The white line here is the 200 moving average. Directional index still pretty dismal, but that's all right. Ethereum, it's starting to rally. That's rocking. So basically, in a time of global uncertainty, it would appear that gold and silver are doing what is expected, and Bitcoin is doing what is expected. Hey, this stuff is important. Join Blockchain Education if you'd like to make money with us in 2020. You can learn to trade. You can hang out with people who care about your financial success, that we all want to win together. Come hop in the chat, join, get in some of the hybrid signals that come out. You can get auto-entered if you want, or you can do it manually, or you can just let some calls go by and get into some. However you want to play it. There are different ways to be a member of Blockchain Education. Check out the link in the description. Watch the video. Really, let's make money together in 2020. With that said, keep hammering. Obstacles can't stop you. Weather can't stop you. Heartbreak can't stop you. Failure can't stop you. Only you can stop you. And one thing that does help you keep hammering is, well, friends. People that care about your success. Join Blockchain Education, because there you can hang out with people in the chat 24/7 who actually do care about your success. They'd like to see you keep hammering in 2020 and making money in the midst of global uncertainty. There's always money to be made. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.